Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like an endless cycle, but even in this situation, it's possible to start building wealth. The key lies in making small, intentional changes to your financial habits and maximizing every dollar you earn. Begin by tracking your expenses meticulously. Use a budgeting app or simply write down where every dollar goes. This step often reveals unnecessary spending that can be redirected towards savings or investments. Even $5 saved from daily expenses can add up to $150 a month, a significant step toward financial freedom. Next, prioritize creating an emergency fund, even if it's just a small one. Start with a goal of saving $500 or $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. This prevents you from relying on high-interest credit cards in emergencies, which only deepen the paycheck-to-paycheck struggle. To make saving easier, set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account every payday, even if it's just $10 or $20. Automation ensures you pay yourself first and builds consistency over time. Consider finding ways to increase your income, even temporarily. A part-time job, freelancing, or selling unused items online can create a small but meaningful financial cushion. Use this extra income wisely by applying it toward debt repayment, savings, or investments. Speaking of debt, tackle it strategically. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, as they drain your finances the fastest. The snowball or avalanche methods can help you stay motivated and organized while reducing debt efficiently. Once you've built some momentum, explore small-scale investment opportunities. Many platforms allow you to start investing with as little as $10 or $20. Over time, even modest investments can grow significantly thanks to the power of compounding. Pair this with consistent financial education to better understand personal finance and uncover additional ways to save and invest. Knowledge truly is power when it comes to building wealth. Remember, wealth building isn't about how much you earn, but how consistently you save, invest, and manage what you have. Every small step you take now will set the foundation for financial stability and freedom, even when living paycheck to paycheck.